In this tutorial, you'll learn about the Boolean operators and, or, and not. We'll talk about and first. Use the Boolean operator and when you want both terms included in your search results. And narrows a search. For example, let's say you're looking for articles about birth control legislation. The first term we want to search for is birth control. If we search just for birth control, we're going to get a lot of articles about birth control, but not necessarily about birth control legislation. We need to include the term legislation so that articles we find are relevant to birth control legislation. To narrow our search and retrieve articles which include the terms birth control and legislation, we use the Boolean operator and. By using and, we retrieve just what is in the blue oval, articles that contain the terms birth control and legislation. Now let's talk about or. The OR Boolean operator broadens your search. Use OR to combine synonyms or related words, for example, birth control or contraception. OR broadens a search. When we use OR, we retrieve everything in both circles. For maximum search results, combine the operators OR and in a single search. For example, a search in Google looks like this. Note, Google automatically adds the and operator. Also note the use of parentheses. These are used to group the OR words together. Here's how the search looks in the library catalog. Notice the OR and the and. Now let's talk about the Boolean operator not. Use not to exclude documents containing a specific word. Let's say when we run our search, birth control or contraception and legislation, we get a lot of hits having to do with Canada. But we're not interested in Canada, so we use the not Boolean operator. Our search string looks like birth control or contraception and legislation, not Canada. Note, Google uses the minus sign for not. In review, and narrows a search. Use it to combine multiple concepts. Or broadens a search. Use it to search for synonyms and related words. Use parentheses to group OR words together. Not is used to exclude articles with a specific word from a search. The end.